In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to our Daawaa Oro channel. Today we dive into the life and legacy of one of Islam's greatest figures, Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, and the challenges he faced during his leadership. From his patience in accepting the caliphate to the fierce battles that defined his rule, Imam Ali's journey is one of sacrifice, justice, and truth. Join us as we uncover the battles he fought, not only on the battlefield, but for the unity and survival of the Ummah. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Islamic historical content. Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, the cousin and son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad PBUH, was not only known for his unmatched bravery, but also for his profound patience and wisdom. After the Prophet's passing, Ali was denied leadership despite being the rightful successor, according to many. For the sake of the Muslim Ummah's unity, Imam Ali chose silence and did not assert his claim. For over 2 decades, Imam Ali remained patient, allowing the caliphate to pass to others, all while holding the Islamic community together. His silence, a form of taqiyya, was not a sign of weakness, but a testament to his commitment to unity. As the Prophet PBU had said, Ali is with the truth, and the truth is with Ali. Hadith Sunan al-Tirmidhi 3713. It wasn't until the assassination of Uthman, the third caliph, that the people turned to Imam Ali. They recognized his wisdom and piety, and he reluctantly accepted leadership, not for power, but to restore justice in a fractured ummah. The first major challenge to Imam Ali's caliphate came from those who initially supported him, but were swayed by claims of injustice. Aisha, Talha, and Zubair, though once close companions of the Prophet, misunderstood the circumstances surrounding Uthman's death. They called for vengeance, and this led to the fateful Battle of Jamal. But how could this happen? Prophet Muhammad PBUH had clearly stated, "Whoever curses Ali curses me." Hadith Musnad Ahmad 1114. Yet despite this hadith, the rebellion against Ali unfolded. Imam Ali, recognizing the potential for disaster, tried to avoid bloodshed. He sent emissaries to Aisha, Talha, and Zubair, reminding them of their past relationships and duties to the Ummah. Zubair, upon remembering the Prophet's words that he would one day oppose Ali in error, withdrew from the battlefield. The battle ensued, but Imam Ali's forces prevailed. Aisha, upon witnessing the devastation, deeply regretted her actions. She later said, "I wish I had died before this incident." Hadith Sahih Muslim 6450. Imam Ali treated her with dignity and respect, ensuring her safe return to Medina. This act of mercy showcased Ali's desire for peace, even when wronged by those closest to him. Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, the cousin and son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad PBUH, was not only known for his unmatched bravery, but also for his profound patience and wisdom. After the Prophet's passing, Ali was denied leadership despite being the rightful successor, according to many. For the sake of the Muslim Ummah's unity, Imam Ali chose silence and did not assert his claim. Next, Imam Ali faced opposition from Muawiyah, the governor of Syria, who refused to pledge allegiance. Muawiyah, using the excuse of seeking justice for Uthman's murder, sought to claim power for himself. Imam Ali, upholding the rights of leadership as the Prophet had intended, knew this was not just a political dispute, but a challenge to the very principles of Islam. The two forces clashed at Siffin. Imam Ali's goal was always peace, but the continued resistance from Muawiyah and his army made it clear that this battle was inevitable. During the battle, however, Muawiyah's forces raised Qur'ans on spears, calling for arbitration. This manipulation used the very word of God, the Quran, which states, "And hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether, and do not become divided." Surah Al-Imran 3:103. Imam Ali knew this was a manipulation, but his own soldiers, tired of bloodshed, urged him to agree. Reluctantly, Imam Ali accepted arbitration, knowing it was not in his favor. This decision caused division within his camp, as some felt betrayed, failing to understand the bigger picture of Ali's relentless efforts to protect the Ummah. The arbitration led to the rise of the Kharijites, a group who once supported Imam Ali, but now accused him of deviating from the faith by accepting arbitration. They believed that no one but God should be the judge, leading to their rebellion against Ali. They quoted the verse, "The decision is only for Allah," Surah Yusuf 1240, to justify their stance. Imam Ali, ever patient and wise, tried to reason with them, But their extreme views led to further conflict. The Battle of Narawan was fought against these rebels, where Imam Ali's forces decisively defeated the Kharijites. But even in victory, Imam Ali was deeply saddened by the internal strife that continued to plague the Ummah. Though he won the battle, Imam Ali knew that the ideological damage was immense. The Kharijites' extreme views would continue to challenge the unity he worked so hard to preserve. Throughout his life, Imam Ali had been denied the leadership that was rightfully his. From the time of the Prophet's passing until his eventual caliphate, Ali chose silence to preserve the peace of the Muslim Ummah. His silence, his patience, and his willingness to suffer injustice for the sake of unity were signs of his unmatched character. Even during his caliphate, he faced betrayal from those seeking power. Yet he remained steadfast, fulfilling his duty to uphold justice, as the Prophet had commanded. Imam Ali's leadership was a testament to his commitment to the principles of Islam, not personal gain. Imam Ali's life of sacrifice reached its tragic conclusion when he was struck by an assassin's blade while in prayer at the mosque in Kufa. His death marked the end of an era, but his legacy of justice, patience, and truth continues to inspire Muslims around the world. Imam Ali's martyrdom reminds us of the cost of standing for truth, and as the Prophet, PBUH, said, "I am from Ali, and Ali is from me." Hadith Musnad Ahmad 1113. Ali's leadership, denied for so long, was a beacon of light for the Muslim Ummah, even in the darkest of times. Imam Ali's battles were not only fought on the battlefield, but in his struggle for unity and justice. His patience and perseverance are lessons for all. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the lives and legacy of Islamic figures.